Understanding, gauge the preference. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might come across in English: gauge the preference. Understanding this phrase can add a new layer to your communication skills, especially when you're trying to figure out what someone likes or prefers. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning and usage of this interesting phrase. Gauge the preference is a phrase used when someone wants to measure or assess someone else's likes, dislikes, or choices. The word gauge means to measure or estimate something, often with precision. When combined with preference, it refers to understanding what someone favors over something else. It's a useful skill in both personal and professional contexts, enabling effective communication and decision-making. To make this concept clearer, let's look at some examples. In a professional setting, a manager might gauge the preference of their team regarding where to hold the next team-building activity. They could do this through surveys or discussions to ensure the chosen activity aligns with the majority's interests. In personal life, before buying a gift for a friend, you might try to gauge their preference to ensure they will appreciate the gift. This could involve recalling past conversations or noting their reactions to different topics or items. These examples show how gauging preferences is all about paying attention to others' signals and sometimes directly asking them to share their thoughts. Understanding others' preferences is crucial because it fosters better relationships and decision-making. By gauging preferences, you can make informed decisions that are more likely to be accepted and appreciated by others. Build stronger connections by showing that you value and consider others' opinions and likes. Enhance communication, as it encourages openness and sharing of personal insights. Gauging the preference is more than just a phrase. It's a valuable communication tool that can help you navigate various social and professional situations with greater empathy and effectiveness. By understanding and applying this concept, you can enhance your interactions and make more thoughtful choices. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and utility of gauging preferences in everyday life. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!